Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another recap video. So I haven't done one of these in a while and for good reason. Now, last month was probably one of my worst months in terms of consistency. It was pretty much a break-even month last month. Actually, it was a losing month. I'll count it as a losing month because I was trading on my Tradeful accounts. So if I go ahead and do like the last, I'll just go this quarter, we have a 50% win rate, right? We were very back and forth all of February with these accounts. I managed to bring them out of the gutter though, and we are sitting, I think, at like fucking like 154 or something like that. So I'm about halfway through on these Tradefy accounts to get a payout. So this week we've been, gaining that momentum again from January. We've been doing pretty well. Hit some pretty good trades on these accounts yesterday and today. I'm gonna recap just today though. Um, yeah, and I'll recap the PM trade that I took today, and I alerted to my Discord here. But also, real quick, a little update on the TopStep X account. They just deducted my payout that I submitted last Thursday. I submitted a $16,000 payout. So I was down on the account from the initial balance, which was like 49K, right? Is what I started with. So I was down about like $3,000 for the month of February on the TopStep X account. And I was in profit on my Tradeify account. So I guess, like I'm saying, like it was like a break even month with my accounts because I'm really only trading with Tradeify and TopStep X. I have some evaluations with Alpha Futures and Apex right now that I'm currently trading, but I'm not even going to include those in this video because I actually want to talk about the fucking funded accounts that I have that actually, net me money. So I don't really care about the evaluations right now. Like if I'm talking about evaluations, sure, we made like whatever it was, I think like 60K or something like that, but I might just throw that in the title for clickbait, right? But I don't really want to talk about those accounts. They're sitting good right now. The alpha futures are about halfway done. Yeah, but my live account with Top Step is sitting at 30K. I'm gonna try to run this back up to 50K this month. I'm not gonna try and put I don't want to put a monetary goal on the live account. I'm just kind of treating this as like I'm gonna take it slow. I definitely want to run it up for the rest of the year. And also, one more thing, I'm actually going on Top Step TV in about 10 days from when this video is posted. So on March 14th, which is not this Friday, but next Friday. So if you guys want to tune in and see me on Top Step TV, I'm going to actually be on Top Step TV on March 14th. But yeah, I'm just going to try and keep this live account for as long as I can throughout the year. And the reason why I took a payout last Thursday is because I was literally like just back and forth. Like I would win, I would lose, but I was losing a little more than I was winning. And I was just bringing that account balance back down. So I just wanted to reward myself and pay myself with this live account for the month of February because it was very sloppy in terms of consistency, right? Even though I was floating around break even, it was just very, very sloppy. It wasn't my best month in terms of consistency. So that's the update with my TopStep X account. And then my Tradeify accounts are doing really, really well right now. And this week, 100% win rate. Yeah, that's just two trade days of the week. I'll keep you guys updated on these. Hopefully, I can reach a payout by the end of this week, if not the beginning of next week with Tradeify, and it'll be my first payout with Tradeify. They're a pretty good firm. If you guys want the best deals on firm, use code SMART. Link in the description if you guys want really good discounts with literally all the prop firms. My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Apex, Tick Trader, Alpha Futures, like literally everybody in the game right now. We have the best prop firm code. Again, that is SMART, code SMART. So enough of me yapping. Let's get into the charts and let me show you guys what trade I actually took. So if you guys do want to go back and watch the live recording, I actually did go live on YouTube this morning. There was no trades taken in the morning due to this reason, right? So we had 930 manipulate higher, take out this engineered high in this 15-minute gap, and then also tap up into this upper bearish fair value gap. Now, we did have sell side to the low, and we had this 115 higher time frame sell side. So if you guys go on your NQ charts on the continuous one and you go to your daily, that is the swing low right here. Same thing on ES. We had these equal lows from, I believe it was November and October that were my target also, and those ended up getting hit this morning. Now, after all these major lows were hit, and if you guys aren't seeing these same levels as me, make sure you guys turn on B-80J to adjust for the contract changes, because I do use and chart and execute on the continuous contract if I'm trading on TradingView. But anyways, so we had this nice manipulation lower into that 115 level. Again, during the stream, there wasn't really anything that caught my eye. There wasn't anything that I was really paying attention to. And how I've been telling my mentees and really my whole Discord community going into this month, from last month, I kind of reviewed. I pretty much went through my whole journal and I reviewed why was I losing so much in February. Because obviously, I mean, the price action, in my opinion, was a little bit hard to read for me at least. But when I went and reviewed my journal, I noticed that most of my losses in February were coming in between 11 and 1 p.m. So in those 2 hour time window, or in that 2 hour time window, I was taking a lot of losses, break even trades. Sometimes they would hit, but I was losing a lot more than I was winning during 11 to 1. So coming into this week and into this month, I just decided, you know what? And I used to say this all the time as well, is like, don't trade 11 to 1, because that's usually where we get some sort of retracement or, some sort of reversal or continuation for the PM session. So I just decided to cut that out this month. I told everybody, I told my mentees, I told the rest of the Discord as well, stop trading from 11 to 1. Get your mind refreshed, take a 2 hour break, and then come back for PM session if you take no trades in the AM. If you take trades in the AM and you win, be done for the day. If you lose in the AM, then come back in the PM, see if PM provides another opportunity so you can get back that L. But also, de-risk by half and then aim for a 2 or 3 R, and you can get back what you lost in the AM plus a little bit some, hopefully. But exactly what happened here. So we were pretty much looking at these equal highs on ES. Big tip, if ES has perfect equal highs like this, and we've already swept out a lot of major higher time frame liquidity, I was betting on the fact that we were going to come back and revisit these highs. We hit the last major sell side. The next one was like all the way down here at 19,829. I didn't think that we were going to drop all the way down there. 115 was like my last sell side target. So I pretty much just skipped 11 to 1. So I'll let this play out here. And then I started looking at the charts at around 1. So I don't really care what had happened in between these 2 hours from 11 to 1. All I cared about was at what is 1 p.m. and what is 1:30 trying to do here. All right. Obviously, you guys see this push up, right? But here at 1:30, I alerted my Discord. I was telling them, hey, I really like the midnight high and the Asia highs, or the equal highs on ES, because that's what we were looking at in the morning. I was trying to find some sort of long right here after this sweep, but we weren't tapping into any PD arrays, and I wasn't just gonna go off. I just wasn't gonna go long just off a sweep. I mean, we were very, very choppy here for the rest of the 10 a.m. hour and some of the 11 a.m. hour. So I was just like, you know what? Let's just skip 11 to 1, come back at 1, refreshed. I went to the gym. I enjoyed my day. No trades taken until about 1:30. So we had a nice push up. We ended up breaking these highs, closing above these highs, and also forming a 5-minute fair value gap above these highs, right? This fair value gap here formed after breaking through these highs. And same situation over here on ES. So we broke through this short-term high right here. We formed a fair value gap. If truly bullish, if it really wants to push up to there, we are going to respect this 5-minute fair value gap. So you can see NQ come back lower. This is 1:30, the official time for PM session. And you can see, I mean, this ended up respecting it and also hitting this little 5-minute order block on the downside. So 1:30, and on the 5-minute chart, we ended up respecting this 5-minute PD array. And if you use the flow state model, which a lot of my students did today on this trade right here, to be fair, I did see the 15-second CISD, but I entered and executed on the 1 minute on ES, not on NQ today. So we did get a 15-second change in delivery here. And the reason why I like the 1 minute a little more than the 15-second here is because the 1 minute was opening all these little imbalances up. So I pretty much executed a trade here at 137, and I pretty much aimed for the equal highs on ES. And a lot of my students ended up taking the same trade over here on NQ, and this was over about a 2.5 RR. So this was a very, very good trade in my opinion. I hit about 32 points on ES, or 31.75. But yeah, that was pretty much the trade that yielded me, this much profit right here. So absolutely insane. And also, I pretty much took them on the the Trade Syncer app. So I'm using a new trade copier. It's called Trade Syncer. Shout out Trade Syncer. I'm not affiliated with them, but they did do really well. I pretty much linked up my Tradeful accounts with these Apex evals that I'm also trading alongside with them. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see if I pass some Apex evals and I end up getting payouts with the Apex. I'll make sure to update you guys with that. But yeah, I mean, and also Alpha Futures. I took it with Alpha Futures as well. So I pretty much traded on all the prop firm accounts that I have, evals and fundeds. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. Super simple and straightforward. Just waited for a PM session trade since I didn't get anything in the AM that I liked, because I did have the narrative of going higher. You guys can go back and fact check me in the live that I did on YouTube. It's out there for the public. You can go check. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be the recap for me. If you guys want to join my Discord, I have a 5-day free trial. The link will be in the description down below. And if you guys want my free flow state model PDF guide, it's completely free. That is also in the description down below. I do have a mentorship. I'm not going to try and push it in this video. If you guys want to join that, if you guys want to apply to work one-on-one with me, where I review all of your trades, we have an exclusive best-selling author, a trading psychology coach, yada, yada, yada. You guys get the gist. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one and have me review all your trades, literally tell you what's wrong and what you need to work on, you guys can apply for a call down below with the first link in the description. But if not, it's all good. You guys can join the free 5-day trial to my Discord, or even download just the free flow state model PDF. But if you guys want to join the Discord, that means completely free for 5 days. You guys can check it out, see if you like it. And if you do, you can stay. If not, no hard feelings. You can cancel before you get charged. So I appreciate you guys pulling up. Catch you guys later. And hopefully we can do more of these recaps as the month go on. But yeah, I appreciate you guys pulling up. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Really helps the channel out. And I will catch you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace out.